My name is Sylvester Elema, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. I came here to represent the petitioner, Chief Timipre Sylva, and the All Progressives Congress. I have my colleagues here who appeared with me in the matter. Well, unfortunately, the decision was given by the Tribunal today against us. We are officers in the Temple of Justice. We will study the judgment and then we shall decide what to do.
Well, it's manifest on the face of it. Was a painstaking decision that judges, lordship took their time. And then in all this, I'm always happy when the work of INEC, vilified as that decision is justified. You know, this is another case where it has been found that the institution did its job correctly according to the electoral law, according to the constitution. You know, and the vigilance it exercised in this election showed that you cannot pull the wool over INEC's face. You know, INEC will continue to do his work, and so I congratulate all that have won. I also congratulate the chairman of INEC for being consistent in his good works.
Okay, we are very happy that the victory of our client, His Excellency Governor Douye Diri of Bayelsa, has been vindicated today by the judgment of the tribunal. And as you could see from the judgment itself, the case of our opponents was built on a very weak foundation. And if you listen to the judgment, you see that their case, the evidence was deficient both in quality and in quantity. And as the court said, the allegations were not proved. And even their case, the witnesses they called gave inconsistent evidence that were discrepant. So altogether, it was a very good victory, and we are very happy that our client's mandate has today been vindicated. So now we hope he will have ample time to concentrate on delivering the dividends of democracy to the good people of Bayelsa who gave him the mandate.
Somina Jumbo, representing with my colleagues the People's Democratic Party, the platform that sponsored the second and the third respondents in the election held for the governorship last year, November. For as a party, we are, on behalf of our clients, we are very grateful. The decision of the court was very, very explicit, detailed, and really, really analytical. And I must commend my lords for the painstaking efforts made in delivering the industry which was put into delivering this judgment. I think, but first it is important to note that the courts held that the petition had already been abandoned, having not activated pre-hearing session within the provisions of paragraph 18 of the first schedule of the Electoral Act. But in compliance with the constitutional mandates, the tribunal went ahead and entertained the complaints and found out that all the complaints made by the petitioners, the three complaints made by the petitioners were unproven, and affirmed the victory of the candidates sponsored by the People's Democratic Party.